In this video, we'll explore the search history page in Tactical Arbitrage 2.0. This is where you can track your active scans, review completed ones, save searches, and even set them to auto-run. Let's get started. You can open the search history page directly from the sidebar. Here, you'll find everything you need to manage your scans and keep your workflow organized. First, let's look at the In Process tab. This section shows all scans that are currently running, paused, or waiting in the queue. For each one, you'll see details like estimated time remaining, which filters are applied, how many products have been scanned, and how many made it into your results. You can rename a search for easier tracking by clicking the pencil icon, typing a new name, and saving it. If needed, you can pause a scan to resume later, or stop it entirely. Stop scans move to the Completed tab, and if multiple searches are running, you'll see a handy Stop All Searches button at the top. Click the three dots menu to view or download scan logs, update filters, or delete products. Logs give you a detailed timeline of activity, including errors and product counts. Remember, you can run up to 10 searches per region at once, with a maximum of 30 searches in total. Each queued search stays in the system for 72 hours before expiring. Next is the Completed tab. This shows all scans that have finished. You'll find many of the same options as in the In Process tab, with a few extras. Use the All Results dropdown to filter by search type, such as product search or reverse search. Within the watch logs of the scans located in the Completed tab, you can find the Filter Analysis options, where you'll be able to see how many products were skipped and why. From here, let's save a scan and head over to the Save tab. The Save tab stores scans you've marked for future use. In Tactical Arbitrage 2.0, the Save option is a little less noticeable, but it's still available for completed searches that have results. Please note that you must save a scan within 7 days of completion, otherwise the option disappears. From this tab, you can also enable Auto Run, which moves the scan to the Scheduled tab. The Scheduled tab lists scans you've set to run automatically in the future. Here you can edit, pause, or delete them as needed. There's also a helpful option called Skip If in Queue, which prevents a new scheduled scan from starting if another one is still waiting in line. Finally, the Previous Searches tab keeps a record of your 100 most recent scans. You can download them, check logs, or delete entries. Once you hit the limit, the oldest scan is removed automatically, keeping your list fresh and up to date. And that's the search history page in Tactical Arbitrage 2.0. Now you know how to monitor scans, review completed ones, save important searches, and even schedule them to run automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Tactical Arbitrage tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing.